Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into some tips and tricks on how to save storage on the Sony FX3 while recording. If you are a filmmaker or most of all maybe a content creator, you know how quickly those files can add up. And if you have bought a RAID system, maybe a Synology NAS or something like that, and you are doing the full backup thing, this will very quickly be very expensive because the files are taking up so much space on those drives. So let's get started.
So now I am going to show you how we are reducing the file sizes, and we are going into the menu. Here we have file format, where you can choose your compression and quality of your file sizes. I have made 3 custom settings which I use frequently. If you go into mode, you can see we have MR1, MR2 and MR3. I have set MR1 to be the most used one, which is 4K 25p. This makes normal videos with normal resolution and normal speed. You also get that natural motion blur which you expect from images today. That's 25 frames per second with a 180-degree shutter rule, which makes 25p 1/50 shutter. 1/50 shutter. If we go back to mode and into MR2, we have a little bit of slow motion, still 4K, but 50p, twice as much pictures per second as the normal one, and we have a 180-degree shutter speed rule 1/100, which is the double number of 50. And in mode 3, MR3, we have more slow motion, which is 100 pictures per second, still 4K, but now we have a shutter of 1/200. All of these are set to the best image quality. So if I'm filming frequently YouTube videos, for example, of me biking, we go into the menu, image quality, record, file format, and in mode 1, I have the XAVC S4K, but then I will choose XAVC HD instead. If we go back to the monitor, we can see that I'm still in mode 3. We go back to mode 1, which is the 4K 25 FPS, and we can see that I have 50 minutes left of storage on the memory card. If we go into the menu, camera settings, image quality and record, file format, and choose XAVC HD instead, we go back to the monitor, and now we suddenly have 3 hours and 42 minutes of recording time left compared to the 50 minutes I had before. So this reduces the file size enormously. That's a tip. Try that and see if you like the image quality that comes out of that.